Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you a few tricks you can use at school. For example, how to hide your phone. Or how to amaze your classmates with pencils sticking out of your ears. If you like school hacks, give a thumbs up and I'll come up with more interesting ideas. Let's go! It is very easy to make pencil earphones. And what's more, they will still be able to play your favorite music. First, I'll cut about 3 centimeters from each end of the pencil. Be very careful. It's better to ask an adult for help. These pieces will do just fine. Now, I'll cover these mini pencils with acrylic paint. And on this piece, I'll create an illusion of an eraser with white and gray paint. Now, I just need to glue the pieces to the earphones. It is very important to be very neat with the glue to make sure it doesn't show. These are the unusual earphones we've made. They'll definitely freak out your classmates. Now, let's make a matching phone case for these funny earphones. I'll disguise it with colored pencils. After deciding on the color scheme, you can glue the pencils to the phone case. And don't forget to carefully cover the camera so it won't give away your disguised phone. Done! Now you can hide your phone. By the way, if you do need the pencils, you can still easily draw with them.
So, I've been looking all over for you! What are you doing? Oh, drawing again?
Yep.
Isn't that too many pencils,
Not at all.
Oh, keep your secrets if you want to. As if I want to know.
Cool! Even Sam didn't notice the disguised phone. All right. But if people at your school are a little more attentive than a slime, I'll show you another way to hide your phone. To make your phone unseen to people around you, you can hide it in a notepad of the right size. First, you need to outline the phone inside the notepad, just like this. And now let's fix the pages with clips to make sure they stay in one place. Then, I'll cut a pocket for the phone along the outline with the help of a ruler and a stationery knife. Make a very careful cut to keep the back cover intact. All right, let's remove the paper from the hiding place. And there! The phone fits perfectly. Looks like we get another phone case. Now you can secretly text people. By the way, guys, you can also use this secret compartment for small sweets. And have a secret snack during class. Guys, by the way, which are your favorite sweets? Comment below. Sam and I will select the most popular ones and make a video about them. While Sam is doing his slime business, I'll hide not only a phone and sweets, but his favorite tablet as well. To make a fake textbook, it is necessary to print cover pages and also take some fitting cardstock. I'll mark the size of the tablet on the book binding cardstock and leave some space for the spine. You need to slightly press the lines of the spine and bend the cardstock like this. Now, let's turn this cardstock into a real textbook. I don't think Sam will ever start looking for his tablet in a textbook. I just need to remember it myself. Almost done! I just need to secure the tablet inside. I'll mark the tablet's corners. Flat rubber bands will make great eyelets. I'll use the glue gun to attach the rubber bands on each corner. One more. And done! It's time to hide Sam's tablet inside the fake textbook. I think you'll learn many new and interesting things with this textbook, including when Sam has a new video on his channel. Let's see who's commented on one of our last videos. By the way, I want to have a snack while I'm on it. I have a pack of chips and a can of Fanta. but they hide a surprise. Of course, carrot chips are also crunchy, but nobody expects to see them in a bag of chips. But what'll really surprise your fans is almond milk in a Fanta can. Of course, I've prepared these treats to play a trick on Sam. I've already finished the real chips and Fanta. To prepare this trick, you'll need a new Fanta can. With the help of a nail, I'll make a hole in the bottom of the can. Be careful, not only with the nail, but with the can itself, or you'll make a fountain at home. Now, you can pour out the contents and wash the can with water. Let's fill the can with almond milk. It's a good idea to fill it to the top, so no one will suspect a switch. Now, I'll glue the opening with thermoglue and secure it with a coin. Our fake can is ready! Now you can treat your friends and watch their reaction. It's time to replace ordinary chips with carrot ones. Let's empty the bag of its contents. I love food pranks. I washed and peeled the carrot, and now I need to cut it into thin rounds. By the way, carrots are full of vitamin A, which is very good for your eyesight. So our prank is both delicious and healthy. Don't fill the bag with carrots completely, because chips are light, and people may start suspecting something too early. It's easy closing the bag with the help of double-sided tape. Our prank set is done! Now you can treat a friend or leave it somewhere in the open, like on the table in the living room.
Yum!
Guys, if you like these tricks, give this video a thumbs up and comment below which prank you liked most of all. See you soon! Bye-bye!